Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Micronutrient deficiencies. In micronutrient deficiency, zinc deficiency is seen in acrodermatitis enteropathica, which is an autosomal recessive disorder where there is defective intestinal absorption. The child presents with dermatitis, alopecia, and diarrhea. Perioral dermatitis. If there is perioral dermatitis in a child, always think of zinc deficiency. Other micronutrient deficiencies are selenium deficiency is associated with Cashion's disease, which is cardiomyopathy. Selenium deficiency is also seen along with iodine deficiency, which is seen in myxedematus goiter. Then, copper deficiency. Copper deficiency is seen in Menkes disease and Wilson's disease. Copper deficiency causes neurodegenerative and fatal and kinky hair are seen in copper deficiency. Behavior.
thank you and thank you for watching.